Hello, and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Tacoma double cab with a TRD Sport upgrade package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 pickup truck, and the color is called Inferno. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features on the front there include your front fog lamps. You also have that awesome hood scoop, and you have your rear cross traffic alert. But there's a ton of really great stuff happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your Tacoma is this handy dandy key with fob. So you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all 4. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirrors, signal indicators. That's going to be really nice for traveling in heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And just here is your side blind zone alert. That's another really great safety feature to have as well. So we're going to open this up, take a look at the interior. So lots of room to get in and out. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Moving a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And you have this awesome leather interior. Moving a little bit further up from there, you can see you do have a power tilt and slide sunroof in your Tacoma. You can let that sunshine in. And then you have your automatic high beams and all of your lighting options there for you on the left. So I'm just gonna hop on in. Bear with me. We're going to start it up for you. Now, because this is a manual, it's going to take me just 1 second here. There we go. So you have a nice display on your dashboard. Those lights that I just turned on, you have that nice ambient lighting, really easy on the eyes. Moving a little bit further back from there, you have a really ergonomic leather-wrapped steering wheel here. You also have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons and your mode changer there, along with your voice command and your hands-free calling. You also have your dash menu. So this is going to be on your dash. You're going to see all of your settings that you can change, your trip distance, your fuel economy. You can take a look at your entertainment system and all of your warning messages, things like that. Moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your forward collision alert, your dynamic radar cruise control, and then you have your lane departure warning as well that you can turn off and on. And then you have your regular cruise control just back here if you're doing any highway driving. Taking a look at the entertainment system now, you do have everything you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio, Sirius XM. You do have a CD player, and then you have the ability to plug in your USB and your audio input along with your Bluetooth, which is going to give you your hands-free calling as well. Now, this is a really great touch screen, really easy to use. You do have your navigation in here as well. I'm just going to turn my lights off there so that you can see nice bright display, not too hard on the eyes once again. And then you have your home option, and you can change all of your settings there as well. Moving a little bit further down, you do have dual zone climate control for the driver and the passenger. And you also have heated seats for the driver and the passenger for those cold winter months that we get here in Canada. Moving a little further down from there, we do have some more safety features. You have your side, your rear sensor, and your side blind zone alert there that you can turn off and on. You also have your rear sliding window. So this is going to be for the above your box there. And then you have the ability to plug in, like I said, your MP3 and your audio input, your USB and your audio input. And then this is your Qi wireless charging. And what that is when with a compatible case, you can just set your phone right in there or whichever device you use, and it's completely cordless. So that's going to be nice for you as well, keeping it nice and clean in here. You do have a 12-volt DC plug-in in case you have anything else that you'd like to charge. Moving a bit further back, you do have your leather-wrapped shift changer. You have some cup holders there with some chrome surround, and then you have a nice big center console that houses yet another 12-volt DC plug-in. So lots of storage options in there for you. Taking a look at your lockable glove box, that's going to be a handy thing to have. And then you have all of the manuals that you're going to need with a nice deep glove box. You can see that Inferno color is continued all throughout the interior, really sleek. Lots of really great stuff happening in front of the Tacoma. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? All right, looking at the box of the truck now, you can see that you do have that cargo box lighting, and I had mentioned that power sliding rear window. Looking a little bit further down, you do have all of your trailering equipment. Your towing capacity with the Tacoma is over 6,000 pounds. I'm just going to open this up here. You can see your rear vision camera there. You do have your cargo box liner, and your payload is just over 900 pounds. So you are all set to go with your Tacoma. I'm going to close this back up here for you, just like that, and give you a nice view of the back of your Tacoma. Giving you one final look then of the 2018 Toyota Tacoma double cab with your TRD Sport upgrade package. You can see those rear windows are a little bit tinted to give your passengers a bit of privacy, and it looks really sleek. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.